Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find focus, equation of directix, and length of latus rectum. So here you're seeing four types of forms. First form is y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four types of forms in parabola that you have to use for a given question. So let us learn the characteristics of these forms, and then only we can solve the given question. So the first form is y square is equal to 4ax. So for this equation, focus is equal to a comma 0, and equation of directix is equal to, you have to write which axis. So axis is x-axis. If there is y square is equal to 4ax, then you have to write it as x-axis, which means x is equal to minus a. You have to see, if there is minus 4ax, then x will be just positive a. If y square is equal to 4ax, that is positive, then x will be negative. And finally, latus rectum is equal to 4a. So these are the things that you have to know before solving these type of questions. So let us move on to the second form, that is y square is equal to minus 4ax. For this, can you guess what is the focus? Yes, minus a comma 0. Focus is minus a comma 0 because as there is a negative sign here, of course it becomes minus a comma 0. And equation of directix, you have to write which axis. Of course it is x-axis. Of course it is x-axis because y square is equal to minus 4ax. You have to see, if there is y, then x-axis. If there is x, then y-axis. And here x is equal to plus a because there is a negative sign here. You have to write it as plus a. And latus rectum will always be the same for everything. Of course it differs from parabola or hyperbola. In hyperbola, latus rectum is different, 2b square by a. But here in parabola, latus rectum is 4a. So now let us move on to the third form, that is x square is equal to 4ay. So here, can you guess what is the focus? Focus is equal to 0 comma a. So there is a difference between y-axis and x-axis. So here in y form, you got x-axis, that is minus. If there is plus 4ax, then you have to write minus a. If there is minus 4ax, then plus a. And focus also a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. Here, as it is x square is equal to 4ay, then focus is equal to 0 comma a. Can you guess what is the axis? I told you before, it is y-axis. If x square is given, then y. If y square is given, then x-axis. It's very simple. And then y is equal to minus x. It is minus a. So here it is plus, right? Plus 4a by. Then y becomes minus a. And latus rectum will be same, 4a. Understood the difference between these four? And last is fourth one, that is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So focus will be 0 comma minus a. 0 comma minus a. And of course it is y-axis. So y is equal to, can you guess? Plus a. As it is minus, then you have to write plus. And LLR is equal to, latus rectum is equal to 4a itself. So these are the basic you have to know for solving parabola type of questions. So if you didn't understand also, that's fine. When we solve the problems, you'll be understanding more better. So here is the question. Y square is equal to 16x. So what is the form? If it is plus 16, then y square is equal to 4ax. So I told you before, we have to use these forms to solve the problem. So it is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. If you want, I'll write all the forms for better understanding. 4ax. Second one is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Third one is x square is equal to 4ay. And fourth one, x square is equal to minus 4ay. So here, as 16 is positive, we have chosen this equation. So next, they've asked us to find the focus. focus is a comma 0. That is equal to, what is a? Write the value of a. A is equal to, how to find a? Just divide 16 by 4. Here 4 is that, just divide 16 by 4, you get a is equal to 4. So 4 comma 0 is your focus. And equation of directix is equal to, axis is, which axis? If y square is given, then x axis. So x axis is equal to minus a. If there is positive, 16 is positive, so x is equal to minus a. So x is equal to, what is a value? Minus 4. And what is the next step is to find LLR, latus rectum, which is equal to 4a. This is the constant value that you have to use in solving problems. So is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So did you understand what we did? I'll just repeat the steps once again, just listen carefully. So the question is y square is equal to 16x. So y square is equal to 4ax. You have chosen this form. And you have to find a value. How to find a value? Just divide 16 by 4. Focus is a comma 0. If there is x square is equal to 4ay, then 0 comma a. Understood? And then you have to substitute this value, and then equation of directix, axis is x-axis. X is equal to minus a because 16 is positive. X is equal to minus 4. LLR will be same for all of the 4. So 4a is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So let us solve more problems for better understanding. So the next problem is y square is equal to minus 12x. So here you have minus, then in this 4, which of the form you have to choose? Yes, y square is equal to 4ax. You have to write, this is of the form y square is equal to minus 4ax. So you have to find a value. A value is, just divide 12 by 4, that is 3. So focus is equal to minus a comma 0. Here minus is there, so minus a comma 0, which is equal to minus 3 comma 0. And then now you have to find equation of, so equation is, now axis is again x-axis, but here as there is minus sign, you have to take x as positive a. X is equal to plus 3. And what is latest rectum? 4a. So 4a means 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Did you understand? So let us solve. We have finished this solving both of the forms, and we'll solve 3 and 4 also. So here the third question is x square is equal to 8y. So next form, 8 is positive, x square is equal to 4ay. So this is of the form x square is equal to 4ay. So what is the focus? Focus is 0 comma a. So what is the a value? 2, because I told you have to divide 8 by 4. So what is a? 0 comma 2. And equation of directix. So now axis is, if there is x, I've told you y axis. So y should be positive or negative? Of course minus a, because you have x square is equal to positive 8. So minus a. It is vice versa. If it is positive, then minus, then if it is negative, then plus, like that. And then y is equal to minus, what is a value? 2. What is the latest rectum? Again 4a. So you don't have to calculate this, but you have to write this formula. And whichever the number will be here, just write it that. That is the latest rectum. If you want to verify that, 4 into 2, 8. Understood? So we have finished solving based on this form also. So the last form, if I solve, then we'll get a clear understanding. So I thought of solving this question, but no, it's your homework. You have to practice, and you can let me know in the comment section what is the correct answer. So you can use this form and give the correct answer in the description box. Chat box. Thank you.